My first E2 experience was as a freshman camper, and I actually met a lot of my very close friends in BME there. One of my best friends in BME, we're graduating together this year. We met at E2 and we've carried that friendship 4 years down.
It was the first time I actually ever had a hands-on engineering experience, but beyond that, I made a variety of new friends through that camp. And that first day that I moved into my dorm, a lot of those friends are actually on the same floor. So even before that first day of classes, I had a whole community that I was part of.
So my E2 experience was a really, I think, interesting experience because I was able to go with my high school friends, and I think just going with high school friends is a comforting experience because you go there actually knowing some people, but then you also meet some new people too. But now I look back, I know all those people, and they're now my friends in civil engineering. So I'm just like, wow, who knew? Who knew at that time, these strangers around me would become my lifelong friends.